Hi class, we are going to do a quick review before we play a fun game of Kahoot to see how well you remember how to solve for prime and composite numbers. We'll review. Prime numbers are numbers greater than 1 that have only one set of factors, 1 and itself. So remember, 1 times 5 equals 5. And there are no other factors that equal 5, so 5 would be prime. Also, 17. 1 times 17 is 17. There are no other factors of 17, so 17 would be prime. What about composite numbers? Well, on the other hand, composite numbers must have more than one set of factors. So for example, 12. 12 has 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4, they all equal 12, so 12 would be composite. So let's play Kahoot.